Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install FL Studio to your computer.
FL Studio Tots.
How to do that? You go online, you visit imageline.com. I will leave this link in the description. FL Studio download. After that, you click download if you're on Windows or on Mac. When file is downloaded to your computer, you just click on it one time or two times like this. So basically you just click next. Terms of use, nobody reads them, but if you want, you can. What? 5,000 euros. You click I agree. Install for current user only, for you or for all users using PC. Just choose it, for example, all users, next. Leave it as it is, desktop icon and everything like this, then hit next. And I won't click next because my FL Studio is already installed. So after you will finish your installing, what you need to do is just create your music. But one thing, what's really bad, you can't save your projects in a free version of FL Studio. So if you will create your first hit, you won't be able to save it. And to save it, you need to buy full FL Studio. And to do that, you need to click on Help. And under the shop, you just need to click on Buy FL Studio and Upgrades. You click on it one time, you will have like 3 or 4 options. I have only one because I already have FL Studio Producer Edition, and I really recommend you to buy it. So you will have like 4 options: Fruity, 99 euros Producer Edition, Signature Edition, and All Plugins Edition. Don't buy Fruity Edition because you won't be able to use stem separation. You won't be able to use audio editor. I guess you won't be able to use Edison. Audio recording, you can't record voice. Just buy Producer Edition and you will be fine, like forever, for lifetime. After, if you want, you can upgrade to Signature Edition and All Plugins Edition. So this is how you do it. It's really easy. If you want to buy, you just click Add to Cart, Buy Now, and it will give you an option to create an account. After you create an account and you buy FL Studio, you complete transaction, you need to unlock your FL Studio. And to do that, you click Help, Unlock FL Studio, because I already unlocked my FL Studio. I don't need to do that, but you need to insert your email address and your password from your FL Studio ImageLine account. And after you hit Log In, it will say that your FL Studio is unlocked and you need to restart your FL Studio. That's pretty much it. Guys, it's really easy, so if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Also, if you really like this video, just leave one comment asking me anything, because it will help me and my video to be seen by more people. Okay. Thank you for watching.
FL Studio Tots.
Presentation is a multiple academic user image line is charged. What? For what they will charge 5,000? According to the text you provided, if the shorter. This term used by ImageLine likely indicate a user eligible for academic discounts as outlined in their terms. Okay.
FL Studio.